So these are a couple of ways to make a slip knot. If you grab the tail of your yarn, with your palm facing, those two fingers out, and just lay the yarn tail over the front. Then we're going to grab the working yarn and just wrap that around so that it goes across, and just hold that with your thumb. Now just take your tail and hold it between those two fingers, and if you pull the working yarn, slide the loop off your finger, keeping hold of it in the middle there. There we go, that's your slip knot. So to tighten it, you would just pull the tail. If you pull that completely, it will come undone. So I'll just show you that again. Tail to the front, wrap it around and cross over, hold that with your thumb, hold the tail there between your fingers and just pull the working yarn, and that will come off there, and that's your slip knot. Another way to make a slip knot, so this is my tail. I'm going to keep it quite long. I'm going to grab my tail end and I'm just going to wrap it around and lay it on top to create a loop like that. Then I'm going to put my fingers inside this loop, lift it up, grab the tail, pinch it with my fingers, pull the working yarn to tighten that, and there's our slip knot. If we pull the tail end, you can see that this tightens, and that is then what we would place on our hook or needle.